To do this trend, open any editing application you have. I'm using the In application. If you want to use this application, then you can easily download from Play or App Store. Now go to New Project and add your 6 photos. Now select Format 9:16 and then add audio. If you don't have the audio, then you can get from the link given below in the description. Now after adding the audio, delete the default end part of the video. Now set the first photo to the time duration of 6 seconds. Use trim option to set the duration. Now after setting the time duration of first photo, now set all photos to the time duration of 0.4 second. Now after this, add text. Write the first text and apply the text layer till the end of first photo. And then add the second text from beginning of second photo and apply the text layer till the end of the video. Now first check your video and then export. Now you're ready to share.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.